Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies with malt powder. Now these soft and chewy chocolate chip cookies have a creamy and kind of nutty nostalgic flavor thanks to the addition of malt powder. They're quick and easy to make up in your stand mixer. Let me show you guys how to make them. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees. Next we're going to add in 113 grams of softened butter to our stand mixer. Now I'm using my stand mixer today, but if you guys prefer to use a hand mixer when making cookies, you can do that as well. Next we have 113 grams of cane sugar and 113 grams of dark brown sugar. And then of course some vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix this on low until combined and there's no butter chunks. Next, we're going to add in 2 large eggs. Then we're going to add in our all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. Next, we're going to add in our malted milk powder. I'm using King Arthur malt powder today because I think it's the best one on the market because I can't find an organic one yet. If anyone knows, please tell me in the comments. We're adding in 1.5 tablespoons of malt powder. So if you guys are unfamiliar with malt powder, it's just a powder that is made up of roasted barley grains that has been ground into like a fine powder. It gives baked goods, milkshakes, ice cream like a toasty, kind of like creamy flavor that is really unmatchable and it is so delicious. So now we're gonna mix this on low until a cookie dough forms. Next, we're gonna add in 198 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And then we're gonna mix one last time just to combine the chocolate chips. I can smell the malt powder coming from here already. So now we're just gonna roll these into 24 cookie balls. And I'm just gonna use my hands, but if you guys wanna use a cookie scoop, that's totally fine too. But if you know me, you know I'm terrible at cookie scoops. So I'm just gonna ball these by hand. So we're gonna get 12 cookies per sheet. And now if you guys want to add some extra chocolate chips right on top of the cookie dough before they bake, it'll look like they're bursting with chocolate chips and they'll become melty and gooey right on top, which I absolutely love. This part though is totally optional. There's plenty of chocolate chips inside these cookies too. Now it's time to bake these at 375 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. And now we have delicious, soft, chewy cookies with the kind of toasty, creamy, nostalgic flavor that everyone is going to love. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more cookie recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.